So I'm just walking down out here at Earth Spirit to have a look at the creek. Can you hear it in the background? Oh, look, all the rain has made all the wattle really heavy and all the flowers on it, so it's all hanging down. Definitely can't go through that way anymore. That's where the path used to go. So we go this way. Can even go around this way. Through this archway here. There's lots of water. Hey there, Toodles. Hey, Stanza. Hello. Hey, Dusty. Hey, Dusty. So the rescue council, we've had some branches fall down here overnight in the tree. Ooh, it's really rushing, you can hear it. Ooh, look at it go. All the rain last night that we had, and it's still raining now. Let's have a walk down here and see what it looks like down here. Oh, look at all the hemlock that's come up. Beautiful hemlock fern. Well, it's a herb, quite a toxic one actually, but it's just so pretty. Look at it. Just like that's all the fairy. The fairies are down here. Oh, look at it. Yeah. Woohoo! It's beautiful. Listen to the frogs. Oh, as soon as I said that, they stopped. Come on, froggies. And then up there's the other one through there. Wow, that's certainly cleaning out the creek. Beautiful. It's starting to rain a fair bit now, so I might just head up. But isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful there. Hey, head back up. Don't try not to fall over. Oh, it's beautiful. Just getting cleansed by the rain and all the blossoms. Blossoms are out. See these ones here? Just beautiful. Okay. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. Really cleansing with the creek. You know, they're like beautiful lifelines that just go across Mother Earth. The creeks, the rivers, really have to protect them. So I just wanted to share how beautiful that is with you, out with all the rain. Have a great day. Bye.